In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Clockify with Monday.com. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is log into your Monday.com account. Once you're logged in, take a moment to navigate to the Apps Marketplace. You can usually find this in the main navigation menu or by clicking on the Apps icon located on the sidebar. It's a central hub where you can find various integrations that can enhance your experience. Next, once you're in the Apps Marketplace, look for the search bar. Here, type in Clockify. You'll see a list of options, but make sure to look for the official Clockify integration. This is the one that allows you to sync your timesheets and your time tracking between Clockify and Monday.com seamlessly. After you've found the Clockify listing, click on it to view its details. It's a good idea to skim through the description to understand what features it offers. Once you're ready, look for the Install button and click on it to start adding it to your Monday.com account. Now you'll need to select the workspace where you want this integration to be available. Follow the prompts that appear on your screen. When you've made your selection, click on the Add App button to confirm your choice. This step ensures that Clockify will be linked to the specific workspace you want to enhance with time tracking features. Once you've installed the integration, the next step is to configure it within a project. You want to go to your Workspace Apps section, where you can see the list of all connected integrations. Find the specific board or project where you intend to use time tracking. This is crucial because the integration will only work in the selected project. Open that specific board and follow the on-screen instructions that will guide you through the process of logging into or linking your Clockify account. It's designed to be user-friendly, so don't worry if you encounter a few prompts. Just follow them, and before long, you should be connected. Finally, once you have everything configured, it's time to start syncing. What this means is that your time entries from Clockify will now automatically sync with your Monday.com items. This integration will not only allow you to track progress efficiently, but will also help you manage invoicing directly from your boards. It streamlines your workflow significantly, giving you more time to focus on what truly matters, getting your work done. That wraps up our tutorial on integrating Clockify with Monday.com. By following these steps, you'll have powerful time tracking capabilities at your fingertips. Remember, once set up, this integration can save you a ton of time and effort. Thank you for watching, and make sure to check out our other content for more helpful tutorials like this one.